Welcome to our tutorial on how to open vCard files online. First, navigate to the online vCardViewer website and hit Enter. This is the interface of the online vCardViewer website. You can drag and drop your vCard files into this panel, or click on Select Files to open a mini window and browse your vCard files. Once you've selected your vCard files, click Open. Scroll down to see the information of your vCard contacts. This is the list of vCard contacts. Here, you can search for contacts by names. There, you can see how many contacts your vCard file contains. Now, let's take a closer look at a contact. This is the Contact Preview panel, displaying information in a user-friendly manner. Here, you can see the profile image of the contact, along with their name and contact number. You can also view additional details such as their title, full name, contact number, email address, and organization. And that's how you open vCard files using the online vCardViewer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. For more details, check the description below.